Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're here because you're searching for how to earn money online on Autopilot in 2026, you've landed on one of the most practical, no-fluff guides out there right now. In March 2026, with AI tools automating more than ever, true passive or near-passive income is more achievable than it's been in years. We're talking streams that require heavy upfront work but then generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort. Think sales rolling in while you're at the beach, sleeping, or working your day job in St. John's, Florida. Today, I'm breaking this down in extreme detail. The best realistic methods, step-by-step setups, 2026 specific trends like AI integration, earnings expectations, tools, common mistakes, and a clear roadmap to get your first Autopilot dollars coming in. This is going to be long and thorough, so grab a notebook and let's dive in. First, understand what on Autopilot really means in 2026. It's not zero effort forever. Almost nothing is truly 100% hands-off. But the goal is to front-load the work so systems handle sales, delivery, payments, and even marketing automatically. Digital products, affiliate setups, automated content, and AI-powered stores dominate because they scale without you trading time for money daily. Realistic earnings start small, a few $100s per month early on, scaling to thousands or even five figures with consistency and optimization. Top earners combine multiple streams for redundancy. The top ways to earn money online on Autopilot in 2026 start with digital products, the king of passive income. You create once, upload to platforms, and sell forever. Platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, Etsy, Teachable, or your own site via Lemon Squeezy handle delivery, payments, and often marketing tools. Step by step. Pick a niche solving a specific pain point. Think AI prompt packs for mid-journey users, Notion productivity templates for remote workers, budget planners for 2026 freelancers, or minimalist Canva social media kits. Use free or low-cost tools, Canva with AI features, ChatGPT for content outlines, Midjourney or similar for visuals. Spend weeks creating high-quality versions. Make them downloadable, PDFs, editable files, or bundles. Price at $10 to $100. Upload with compelling descriptions, SEO keywords in titles like 2026 AI Prompt Library for Stunning Art, Instant Download, Eye-catching mock-ups, and upsells. Promote initially via Pinterest, Reddit, TikTok, or free Facebook groups to drive traffic, then let organic search and platform algorithms take over. Once ranked, sales happen on Autopilot. Many hit $1,000 to $10,000 monthly, passively, after building a catalog. Next big one, affiliate marketing on Autopilot. Promote other people's products and earn commissions recurring, if possible. In 2026, AI supercharges this with automated content and traffic. How to set it up. Choose high-paying niches like software tools, AI products, or evergreen like Amazon Associates. Build a simple site with WordPress or Card, or use Medium/Substack for zero-cost start. Create value-driven content. Best AI tools for passive income 2026 with embedded affiliate links. Use AI to generate SEO-optimized posts. Fast tools like Jasper or Grok for drafts, then edit for your voice. Drive traffic via Pinterest pins, SEO, or YouTube Shorts, repurposed from blog content. Once content ranks on Google or gets shared, commissions flow in without daily work. Aim for recurring programs. 20 to 50% lifetime commissions are common. Realistic, $500 to $5,000 monthly once you have 10 to 20 solid pieces of content. Print on demand is another Autopilot winner, no inventory, no shipping. Design graphics once, upload to Printful, Printify, Redbubble, or Teespring. Integrate with Etsy or Shopify and earn royalties per sale. 2026 trends. Use AI for designs, Midjourney for unique art, Canva Magic Studio for quick mock-ups. Niches exploding, motivational quotes with AI-generated backgrounds, niche hobbies like pickleball dad merch or eco-friendly themes. Create 10 to 50 designs in a weekend. Optimize listings with keywords like funny 2026 pickleball t-shirt, autopilot passive, and let the platforms handle fulfillment. Earnings hundreds to thousands monthly per strong design cluster, scaling with more uploads and seasonal refreshes. Online courses and memberships for semi-autopilot recurring revenue. Record once on Teachable, Kajabi, or Skillshare topics like Build Passive Income with AI in 2026, Freelance to Financial Freedom Roadmap, or skill-based like Figma for beginners. Automate. Use evergreen funnels, free lead magnet to email list via ConvertKit, then automated sequences promoting the course. Add community access for retention. Price $50 to $500 or monthly memberships $10 to $50. Promote via YouTube tutorials or blog SEO. After launch, updates are occasional and sales recur. AI-powered autopilot ideas exploding in 2026. License your voice on 11 Labs for AI voiceovers, record samples once, earn royalties when used, or create AI-generated content packs sold as digital downloads. Some use no-code tools to build simple SaaS or apps that charge subscriptions, tools like Bubble or Adalo with AI integrations. Content monetization, YouTube or blog with evergreen videos/posts. Optimize for search like How to Earn Money Online on Autopilot 2026. Use ads, affiliates, and sponsorships. Once videos rank, views generate ad revenue passively. Automated dropshipping stores via AI builders. Some tools claim to set up full Shopify stores in minutes with AI product sourcing and ads. Research carefully. Focus on niches with demand via Google Trends. Your 2026 Autopilot Roadmap. Months 1 to 2. Learn basics free YouTube on digital products, affiliates. Pick one stream. Months 3 to 4. Create assets, build 5 to 10 products or content pieces. Set up platforms. Optimize SEO. Months 5 plus. Promote minimally. Monitor. Iterate. Add second stream once first earns consistently. Tools. Gumroad/Payhip for sales, Canva/Midjourney for creation, ConvertKit for emails, Google Analytics for tracking. Budget. Under $100 to start. Pitfalls. Expecting zero work upfront is intense. Chasing trends without niche focus. Ignoring taxes save 25 to 35%. Over-relying on one platform diversify. Real talk. Many earn thousands monthly on autopilot by 6 to 12 months with consistency. Combine streams, digital products, plus affiliates, plus pod for redundancy. If this detailed guide on how to earn money online on autopilot in 2026 fired you up, hit like, subscribe for more updates, and comment. Which autopilot stream are you starting first? Digital products, affiliates, or something else? Share your biggest question below. Thanks for watching all the way. Now go create that first asset today. See you in the next one.